Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Lisa Sauni. I'm from Class A, Environmental Engineering Study Program. Now, I will present one of the environmental engineering journals, which is entitled Waste Generation and Compensation Analysis for Waste Reduction Potential in Slamet Village. Waste Generation and Compensation Analysis for Waste Reduction Potential in Slamet Village. The first part is research background. Garbage is one of the problems that needs attention because waste generally always increases from year to year along with the rate of population growth. Slamet Village is one of the villages located in Danau Sipin District, Jambi City. The existing condition of the Slamet Village is a dense settlement and the large shops, school, markets, and office. The problem of solid waste in Slamet Village is waste management such as the case that relies on the old pattern, namely waste is collected from the source, transported to temporarily sheltered or trash bin, and disposed of to final processing site, and the absence of a waste processing site before heading to the final processing site. Waste management can be maintained by establishing community involvement programs to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Various waste components have the potential to be reused waste processed to produce new non-energy products through recovery and recycling process. Therefore, in this research, a sampling of waste will be carried out in Slamet Village to be able to find out data on waste generation and compensation, analyze the potential for waste reduction, and analyze the community's willingness to treat their own waste. In this research, the calculation of the number of samples, the method of taking and measuring samples of waste generations are carried out based on this. Concerning methods collection and measurement of urban waste generation and compensation samples, the method used in this research is quantitative. In this research, measurement will be made to calculate the generation and compensation of waste. Then the questionnaire data will be processed by qualitative methods and then carried out analysis so that a decision can be made about how the characteristic waste in the study area with the available waste compensation and how much potential for waste reduction in the study area. And the third part is research results analysis. Based on the data from the measurement of waste generation from various types, the source studies are as follows. And this is table 1. On the table 1, that data from the waste measurement research shows that market waste and settlements have a large per capita generation value. Fifth, from the area settlements, 71% of the total area of the Slamet Village, the generation burden generated by residential waste in the largest. Third market class has the largest generation value due to high trading activities carried out in the market and consistently almost the same size every day. A. Garbage composition. Based on direct measurement in the field, the compositional data obtained processed into a presentation of the generated composition as follows below this. And B. Waste reduction, the potential analysis. Waste reduction potential can be determined based on the material balance by taking into account the recovery factor of each component of the waste. Material balance analysis carried out based on the value of the weight of waste generated in the Slamet Village and the value of recovery factor, so that the potential for waste reduction in Slamet Village can be identified. From the figure 1, Potential for waste reduction in Slamet Village using the method recycling or sorting result in 14.30% of recycled materials with incidence 18.24%, while the composting method will produce 37.33% and the remaining incidence of 28.24%. The remaining generation that is disposed of to the final processing site or TPA is 48.34%. So that with recycling and composting methods can reduce the volume of waste disposed to landfill by 51.66% or 0.06 cubic meters. And see respondent data. In this research, the questionnaire was used as data collection to be able to knowing the availability of the community to process their own waste in Slamet Village. The number of respondents in this Slamet Village is 50 people. The last education of the respondent can be seen in the bar chart below this or beside this. And the type of work owned by the respondent consists of networking, civil servants, TNI, ABRI, private employees, entrepreneurs, farmers, laborers, and pensioners. From the economic side, the total income from the sample house is represented by one respondent who will answer questions about this. The amount of income group has a monthly range of less than 500,000 rupiah, 500,000 rupiah until 1 million rupiah until 3 million rupiah until 5 million, and more than 5 million rupiah. The following figure will show the income of the respondent. Furthermore, the respondent's knowledge about the meaning of waste is a material that is waste or disposed of from sources resulting from human activities of natural process that have economic value. 42 people answered yes and 8 people answered no. Knowledge of the meaning of this waste doesn't depend with the education of each respondent. Good waste management is very important for the whole community to know. The behavior carried out by the community will help the government in implementing a waste management system. Respondents answered regarding question about the separation of wet and dry waste at the respondent's home. Of the 50 respondents, 50% of the sample answered that it was necessary to separate dry and wet waste because some samples agreed that the waste still have a price value, can be sold or used. And 24% answered no, and 24% said they didn't know. If the respondent answered yes, then of course the information obtained doesn't just come but it can be sourced from something that makes respondents familiar with management rules. Next is the behavior of the community, whether they have met aspiration. Waste this is easily decomposed or not at the respondent's house. The answer is estimated by not doing separations by 68% of the total respondents because according to they are complicated and don't have time, and 32% answered yes because they think they are a form of behavior and participation to process waste in their own environment. Garbage that has been collected in the respective homes must be done next steps. In the questionnaire tab, In this questionnaire, there are questions about this with answer choice such as being born, thrown into the river, placed on vacant land, stockpiled, transport by garbage collectors, compost, outsold, or for waste inorganic, not found for waste treatment in their respective homes. Respondents who throw garbage into the river, compost it and sell it for inorganic waste. Because 60% of respondent answers are trash at home directly transported by officials. Here are the respondent answers below this. Community is an important element that will increase success waste management. People interested in managing waste from themselves will be reflected in the respondent answer. Even though the average respondents don't segregate waste, but if a management program is hard waste in that environment, from 50 respondents, 96% of people answered yes, and 4% answered no because they thought that as long as they live in the environment, if the average community doesn't really care about the environment surrounding areas, if the program is held, it will not necessarily continue to run. This is evident from the answer of those who still choose management to be carried out centralized versus individually, as shown in Figure 6, where 72% vote centrally and 28% individually, because their reason it was easier. The community is an important element that will increase the success of waste management. People's interest in managing waste starts from themselves. This can also be seen in the answer whether they want to make compost. 54% of the total respondents answered no because their reason they didn't have the time and also that organic waste was dirty. However, on the question of collecting inorganic waste for recycling, 60% of the total respondents answered yes, because respondents reasoned that it is easier to separate and can be sold, and also that the treatment of inorganic waste is not as difficult as organic waste. And the last part is conclusion. Based on the purpose of the research, from the results of the research and discussion, several conclusions can be drawn, namely the amount of waste generated produced in Slamet Village in units of weight is 108.71 kg per day, or in volume units of 1,1186 cubic meters per day. The total composition of the waste generated in Slamet Village consists of 65.57% organic waste and 34.43% inorganic waste, consisting of 12.55% paper waste, 0.13% rubber waste, 1.78% textile waste, 17.8% plastic waste, 0.56% gas waste, 0.48% metal waste, and 1.85% others. By using the recovery factor values, the amount of dry waste that can be recycled in Slamet Village is as follows. Paper waste 5.46 kg per day, plastic waste 9.28 kg per day, gas waste 0.40 kg per day, and metal waste 0.44 kg per day. The total amount of waste reduction in Slamet Village based on the types of waste is 15.58 kg per day. Meanwhile, wet or organic waste is 40.58 kg per day. The community's willingness to process their own waste is still very low. This is because the community's role in processing waste is not appropriate. The management carried out by the community is only limited to collecting organic and inorganic waste. Generally, garbage is collected and transported by officers. Some even burn in directly on the side of the road or in the yard of the house around the residence. Factors such as age, education level, type of work, and amount of income don't have a real influence on people's desire to process their own waste.